Hi guys, today I wanted to show you all the most useful Google Assistant comments on Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So the first comment is going to be what's the name of the song, but it's not going to be an ordinary song. You won't be just like, when you Shazam a song, you just uses the microphone to scan the song from the outside, like from the radio and something like that. But when you say and when you use it with Google Assistant, when you use this command on Google Assistant, it's not going. You can also just mimic the beat of the song. You can just try to sing by yourself the song. So that's the case. Another one is just going to be something basic, like set an alarm or not alarm, but I don't know, set a timer for 20 minutes. So let's say you're about to fall asleep after a hard day of school or work, and you're just drifting off, but you don't want to get up, go get your phone. You can just shout, "Hey Google," and set a timer for half an hour, let's say, or an hour, and wake me up with, I don't know, maybe some buzzing noises, some alarm noises, so you make sure that you wake up actually. And it's just going to set up this timer. Other thing is just going to be reminders. So let's say, remind me that I have an appointment on Monday at 6 o'clock, let's say, or just at 6 p.m. And you can also tell, like, remind me 1 hour later, or remind me a day before and 15 minutes later before. So yep, that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.